multitasking gestures, control center module for multitasking gestures feature, and brings back dislikes on YouTube. Um, so yeah, as of November 2021, it's actually been a year. Wow, YouTube removed the ability to see the number of dislikes on videos. It was pretty much the, like, this is right here, to prevent the dislike attacks, which can, like, respond in like spammy or inaccurate, dishonest, offensive, or otherwise objectable feedback to videos. So they got rid of it, which I think was really, really dumb. I think for certain videos this could apply, but I say for like 99% of videos out there, I don't think this apply at all. So yeah, this week actually allows you to show the dislikes for videos. Yeah, a lot of YouTubers just speak out about the whole dislikes with YouTube. And yeah, what's new in this version has an option to display the exact number of likes, update localization for Arabic, and does support iOS 11 to 15.7. Whoa, don't share that, and blacklist sharing different websites in Safari or Google. Supports iOS 11 to 15.7.1. So if you watch something and accidentally click on the share button, this week aims to stop that problem. It's called Blue Finder. $1.49 looks like it costs. Find your iPhone using Bluetooth devices. Never search for your iPhone again. So if you lost your iPhone, you can turn on any of your Bluetooth devices 2 times in a row or more, and your iPhone will start ringing, vibrating, and flashing. So obviously the only condition for this to work is that if your phone has Bluetooth enabled, it will work even if you are in silent or do not disturb mode. And I guess if your Bluetooth device isn't near your phone, I guess that wouldn't make it work, but other than that, it's pretty cool. You can also restrict the choosing devices. So if you just want your AirPods to work, you can also do it with just AirPods or whatever device you guys do choose. So you do it up to 5 devices or 5 configurations. So like ringing, vibration, flashes can be disabled in the settings, and option to play the ringing crescendo, so don't hurt your ears if it's just next to you. There's a stop button on your iPhone so you can cancel the alert. So yeah, pretty cool. If you guys lose your phone a lot, this is actually a perfect tweak for you. It is called Fletchless and supports iOS 13 to 15. It's mainly used applications to springboard to call debugging tool Fletch. So Fletch, which is Flipboard Explorer, is a tool for internal debugging for iOS applications. So yeah, pretty cool. To fix some problems with iOS 15 not working, tested on Palarine and Xina A15. So hopefully should be working on those versions or those jailbreaks and working on iOS 15. Fits the crash problem of launching some applications from the desktop menu and sync the latest source code. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.